grace unending, your love descending. When I fall, you lift me high. You catch my every cry. Your mercy flows like gentle rain. You wash away my pain. Your kindness deeper than the sea, forever rescuing me from never let me go. Your love forever flows. Your promise still remains through joy and through pain. Grace unending, flowing free, forever changing me. Every heartbeat, every sound, your mercy all around. Grace unending, pure and white. Your spirit lives inside. Forever I will be in grace unending. Your mercy, your dream night. You're not till leaver calls. You take my past, you make it new. My heart belongs to you. Through valleys deep and skies above, you cover me with love. In every breath I still believe your grace will never leave. You never let me go. Your love forever flows. Your promise still remains through joy and through pain. Grace unending, flowing free, forever changing me. Every heartbeat, every sound, your mercy all around. Grace unending, pure and white. Your spirit lives inside. Forever I will be in grace unending. You're the calm inside the storm, the place my heart is warm. You hold me close, you make me whole. You're the anchor of my soul. Forever I will sing of mercy you bring. From now until the end, your grace one thing. Grace unending, flowing free, forever changing me. Every heartbeat, every sound, your mercy all around. Grace unending, pure and white. Your spirit lives inside. Forever I will be in grace unending. Grace unending, forever descending. Grace unending. holy sound, your presence all around. Every rhythm, every wave declares the love you gave. You move like light across the sea. Your spirit dances free. Heaven's heartbeat through the sky. Your glory passing by. You move the world with gentle grace and truth. You move the world with gentle grace. Your mercy fills this place. Every moment, every tone, you make your kingdom known. Heaven in motion, flowing inside. Your spirit's alive. Every heartbeat sings your name. Your love forever the same. Heaven in motion, heaven in motion, lifting my soul. Your peace makes me whole. Forever I'll believe. Heaven in motion in me. Your presence shines through every storm. Your hands keep me warm. Every breath I give to you becomes a song anew. Your grace is moving endlessly, a tide inside of me. Your light consumes the dark and reunites my heart. You move the world with gentle grace. Your mercy fills this place. Every moment, every tone, you make your kingdom known. Heaven in motion, flowing inside. Your spirit's alive. Every heartbeat sings your name. Your love forever the same. Heaven in motion, heaven in motion, lifting my soul. Your peace makes me whole. Forever I believe. Heaven in motion in me. You are the rhythm of my soul, the fire that makes me whole. You lift me high above the skies. Your grace will never die. Let every heart awaken now to heaven's holy sound. Let your glory fill the air. Your love is everywhere. Heaven in motion, heaven in motion, flowing inside. Your spirit's alive. Every heartbeat sings your name. Your love forever the same. Heaven in motion, heaven in motion, lifting my soul. Your peace makes me whole. Forever I'll believe. Heaven in motion in me. Heaven in motion. Heaven in motion. Heaven in motion. We worship the ocean waves begin to rise. Your glory lights the skies. Every heart begins to sing to honor Christ the King. The stars align, the heavens sound. Your spirit all days, my faith ablaze. When the night feels cold and long, your truth becomes my song. Every tear that I have cried, you turn to hope inside. Through the silence you still speak. Your love restores the weak. You lift me higher than before. I'm yours forevermore. In every breath, in every flame, I'll praise your holy name. Through every storm, through every phase, you keep my faith ablaze. Faith ablaze, burning in my soul. Your fire makes me whole. Every heartbeat, every sound, your spirit all around. Faith ablaze, I lift my hands to follow your commands. Forever I will praise my faith Your mercy shines through endless skies. Your glory never dies. You light my steps, you make me brave. Your love has conquered the grave. In the stillness I can see your power moves in me. Every doubt begins to fade. Your grace has made the way. In every breath, in every flame, I'll praise your holy name. Through every storm, through every phase, you keep my faith ablaze. Faith ablaze, burning in my soul. Your fire makes me whole. Every heartbeat, every sound, your spirit all around. Faith ablaze, I lift my hands to follow your commands. Forever I will praise my faith ablaze. You are the flame that lights my way, my dawn in every day. You lift me up from broken ground. Now peace is all around. Let your glory fill this place. Forever I'll embrace the love that never fades. My faith ablaze, burning in my soul. Your fire makes me whole. Every heartbeat, every sound, your spirit all around. Faith ablaze, I lift my hands to follow your commands. Forever I will praise my faith ablaze. Forever in your grace. Faith ablaze. Glory arise. The morning breaks, the colors sing, creation bows before the King. Your presence moves, your fire shines, your spirit fills these minds. The heavens glow, the earth proclaims the beauty of your name. Every heart begins to rise as glory fills the skies. You move in every sound, your love is all around. The darkness fades away as your kingdom lights the day. Glory arise, let heaven reign. Your power breaks every chain, every voice, every soul. You make us whole. Glory arise, let your love shine, eternal and divine. Forever we will praise as glory The spirit dances in the air, reminding me you're there. Every heartbeat starts to glow. Your light begins to show. Your promise echoes through the sea. Your truth has set me free. Every soul will testify. Your name be lifted high. You move in every sound. Your love is all around. The darkness fades away as your kingdom lights the day. Glory arise, let heaven reign. Your power breaks chains, every chain, every voice, every soul. You make us whole. Glory arise, let your love shine, eternal and divine. Forever we will praise as glory arise. Let your fire fill this place, pour out your endless grace. Let the nations sing your name, forever you remain. Every light reflects your throne. We're never on our own. Heaven's song we raise as glory fills our day. Glory arise, let heaven reign. Your power breaks every chain, every voice, every soul. You make us whole. Glory arise, let your love shine, eternal and divine. Forever we will praise as glory arise. Glory arise, your light in our eyes. Forever you shine. Glory arise. Hope in the dark, your light has come on. The night is fading into gold. Your promise still unfolds. The sky begins to shine with grace. Your mercy fills this place. You turn my darkness into song. You make the weak so strong. Every tear that fell before Every shadow fades away as I lift my heart and pray. Hope in the dawn, your love keeps shining on. Forever I belong, in your hope I am strong. You are the sunrise in my heart, the day you always start. You light the sky with grace, your joy fills this place. Forever you remain, through sunlight and the rain. And you I carry on, my hope in the hope in the dawn, your light is calling on. Every shadow fades away as I lift my heart and pray. Hope in the dawn, your love keeps shining on. Forever I belong, in your hope I am strong. Hope in the dawn, forever you shine on. Hope in the morning of grace. Your light fills this place. The sky awakens soft and white. Your mercy fills the tide. Every color sings your name. The world will never be the same. You wipe away the tears I've known. You call my heart your own. Every shadow fades away as light begins the day. You breathe new life in me, a hope so endlessly. With every dawn I see, your grace is lifting me. Morning of grace, you make me new. Every moment points to you. Your love shines through the skies, forever open wide. Morning of grace, I'm standing still, surrounded by your will. Ooh, oh, oh, oh. Morning of grace, you make me new. Every moment points to you. Your love shines through the skies, forever open wide. Morning of grace, I'm standing still, surrounded by your will. Forever I will praise this morning of morning of grace, forever you stay. Your light within me, forever shining free. The dawn awakes inside my soul. Your light has made me whole. Through every shadow, every pain, your love remains the same. You lift me up from where I've been. You breathe your peace within. Now every breath I take is new, a song that leads to you. Your glory fills the sky. Your grace will never die. You move in everything. My soul begins to sing. Light within me, burning bright. Turn my dark to light. Every heartbeat, every flame, I'll praise your holy name. Light within me, set me free. Your spirit lives in me. Forever I will be with the light within me. The stars above begin to fade. Your sunrise fills my days. Every color paints your love, descending from above. Your presence whispers through the breeze. My soul falls to its knees. Every moment shines so clear when I know you're near. Your glory fills the sky. Your grace will never die. You move in everything. My soul begins to sing. Light within me, burning bright. You turn my dark to light. Every heartbeat, every flame, I'll praise your holy name. Light within me, set me free. Your spirit lives in me. Forever I will be with the light within me. You are the fire inside my veins, a joy through all my pain. Your peace runs deep and wide, forever at my side. I'll shine your love through all I do. My heart belongs to you. The world will finally see your light.